So the first website will be, this is the first website, right? Smart Traveler. Let me check this website. Okay. So actual, the main keyword, what is the primary keyword in this website? Best restaurant, sorry, sorry, best places to travel. This is your primary keyword. So what's your primary keyword? Can you tell me your primary keyword? Best restaurant in Bangalore, right? So I will go through this. Okay, now we will start this one only. This is the website. I will open this website first. Okay, let me go here. I will open this website. So this is the website. First of all, I will show two keywords for this website. Okay, just go to here. This is my primary keyword. Okay, suppose you don't know primary keyword, just go to Google and just type it this Bangalore location and what is your niche. Google will suggest some keywords. You can take that keyword also. You can use it. Okay. So this is my primary keyword. Let me check. Primary keyword. So after that, I just go to keyword planner. So we have two tools. Okay. We can use a keyword planner also and we can use a SEMrush also. So let me check after this keyword result, we'll go for a SEMrush also. Okay. Right now, for a Google Ads. So this is a free account only I'm going to use now. Just to open this account. Just sign in. Just go to this account. See, this is the previous account. So that Google Ads campaign, everything we made it in this account only. Right now we will do the keywords. See, once we have a live account, we can get a exact data. Once you have a free account, we can get a approximate data only. That, for example, I will show that planning keyword planner. So randomly I go for a keyword research. Okay. So here I'm taking this one. I go to here and here. So this is my primary keyword. Okay, let's check. So this is my primary keyword and remaining, this is the seed keyword. Seed keyword and secondary keyword both are same only. Okay. So just I drag it here. See, these are the remaining keywords. For example, so here India is there. One more thing. If you want to focus on Bangalore, you need to change a Bangalore location. This is the India location. And see here, best restaurant in Bangalore, 10K to 100K. That means approximate data. Same thing if you go with a live campaign. If you have a live Google Ads campaign, they will show exact data. Okay. So here I'm going to take this as a primary keyword. Already we selected. Okay. Then candlelight dinner in Bangalore, 10K to 100K. That means 10,000 to 1 lakh in between data, anything. Okay. And best biryani in Bangalore, best pizza in Bangalore. See, restaurant is main topic. This is the subtopic. Okay. So we can make separate pages for a best biryani in Bangalore, separate pages because high traffic is there. Okay. And candlelight dinner in Bangalore, we can make a separate pages. So I can pick which is relevant to exactly restaurant in Bangalore. So that keyword we can make in main pages. Okay. And scroll down here, romantic dinner, best buffet in Bangalore, best candlelight dinner. See here, first five-star restaurant is there. I take this one. Next to top restaurant is there. I take this one. Volume also is good. Okay. And here the competition is low is there. See, low or medium, high competition, don't consider this one. Low competition, it will rank quickly. High competition, it will rank, maybe low competition, it will rank 6 months. High competition, maybe rank 9 months to 1 year. That's it. But you need a business, you need to focus that keyword. Don't see the competition level. Okay. And restaurant in HSR layout, we can go here, restaurant in HSR layout also. For example, we have a branches in Footer Quarter anywhere. We have branches in HSR layout, Jayanagar, Koramangala. Like that also we can mention. Okay. And famous biryani, best restaurant in Koramangala, romantic restaurant. I take this one. Best romantic restaurant in Bangalore. Okay. We have a romantic restaurant also. Okay. For candlelight and romantic, both are same. Only candlelight. Only candlelight. Okay. The 24 by 7 restaurant in Bangalore, 4-star restaurant in Bangalore. This also we can consider. Okay. So total how many keywords is there? 5 is there. Okay. Just I copy this one, directly go to here. You can download here, but I can directly go to here. And this is my primary keyword. Remaining is a secondary keyword. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So this is my secondary keyword. So you need to check this keyword is there or not in your website. Okay, let me check this one. First keyword, this is a primary keyword, and just copy this one. See, this website I'm showing here. So this website you need to check yourself only. Any doubt is there, you can ask me. Okay, so just I go to here, just Control F and paste it here. Here the one time you used keyword. Next, next, next. There is no keywords. And one more thing, each pages we have a one H1 tag. So we need to welcome to my plan restaurant. So you can consider welcome to top restaurant in Bangalore or best restaurant in Bangalore. You can consider like that. Okay. Anyway, go to here, inspect. See, H1 tag is there. You know already, right? On page SEO, we need to use at least one H1 tag. Okay. So we will try to optimize this page now. Okay. You have password, username, password. Okay. So after that, you can log in and check out it here. Okay. So now we need to change the welcome to my meal plan restaurant. See, now you started website. Now you don't have a fame name anything. So you need to focus on primary keyword as much as possible. Once you have a get fame and name, then you can use your brand name. Right now you don't have any branding. So use directly keywords here. Okay. So here you need to change this keyword. Best restaurant in Bangalore. Okay, because we have higher volume here. After that, just scroll down here. About section. Welcome to my meal plan. Oh, this is okay. This is correct. Okay. Are you tried endless struggles of planning meals, grocery shopping, and making you healthy? So here you need to just put up one keywords. Are you tried to struggle to finding best restaurant? So best restaurant in the sense you go to here top restaurants or 5-star restaurants in Bangalore. Both keyword you can include that. Okay. So this way we can include these two keywords. So what I'm suggesting you at least 2 or 3 times you can use this keyword. One time, at least one time use this keywords also. So our answer will get a traffic when we have a high number of backlinks, high number of content. That means high quality of content. Okay. Next thing is so make this two keyword here. Okay. After that, location, phone number, email. Yeah, this is fine. This is also fine. Anyway, you just making theme only, right? Theme based design only. Okay, this is fine. Our best selling dishes. Okay. Chicken biryani, mutton biryani. Okay. Okay. Here, see here empty is there. You can add some pictures or any content is there. I think some content is there removed. I think right. Okay. You can try to add some buttons or phone number, anything. Okay. You can add reviews also. Yeah, anything. If you want to add videos, I will show. Next classes, I will show it. Okay. And ordered food from this restaurant so many times. Our favorite beat. See, this is a review, right? So review section, we can use plugin. We have a lot of plugins. I will tell you how to organize to this reviews. This one review is there. We can at least we can write 10 plus reviews. How to show reviews, I will tell you. We have a plugins anyway. We can use that plugins and we can show our reviews. I will show you previous website also, previous students website also. I will show you. Okay. So why us we offer the best biryani in all of it. So here you need to go why us that means why my meal plan. So here you need to include any of the keywords here. So why choose us like that? Why choose us? We offer best restaurant. We open 24 by 7 restaurants in Bangalore. Like that you can add. That means uh, don't add keywords as much as possible. Just organically, just naturally replace the keyword. Okay, don't force to add the keywords. Okay. Yeah. So this is the way you need to add your keywords. Here you need to add keywords. And one more thing, high quality meal, organic meat and ingredients. So here also you can add here high quality meat is there. Okay, here you can add 25 by restaurants in Bangalore. You can add in bullet points there. Okay, so what I'm suggesting here, take one primary keyword for this website also, smart traveler also. Take one primary keyword. Primary keyword in the sense niche you need to target and location you need to target, or else you need to niche target. See, best places to travel. Let me check this also. Now you got this point right. Now I just go to again here. Reserve your table for unforgettable meal, my meal. So here also you can add some keywords here. Reserve your table, best romantic restaurants in Bangalore, like that. You can add it. Bangalore. Hmm. Bangalore is okay. This way. Okay. Next thing is so you need to add this way in keyword. Okay, and after that, the same keyword you can add in footer also. Okay, footer also you can add it. If you don't know how to build a footer, I will show you. So you can write down. We need to improve your footer part, and we need to optimize your complete on-page things. Yeah, that's it. And let me check the images also. Image optimization, you know, right? So here, there. The pixels is there. You need to correct the pixels. Already yesterday also I told you. So you need to same picture only. Just add keywords. Why I'm telling this keyword now? Because see, best restaurant in Bangalore. Just go to here and add and go to images. See, this is also SEO. And see here, all also SEO, image also SEO, forum also SEO, map also SEO. So many people don't know this. All are SEO only. So video SEO also is there and image. This is the image SEO. Once you have a keyword, automatically it will be ranked here. Okay. And once you have a videos on the same topic, automatically rank here also. Okay. This all are you need to work on that. Okay. Try to add one videos here. So I suggest you, we can use Canva and make videos. I will tell you how to make a videos without showing your face and showing your identity. Okay. We have anyway, we have a AI generated videos is there. We have voiceover free only. I will tell you how to make a videos in YouTube channels. Okay. And the same thing, best places to travel. See, this is a random sentence. It's not a keyword, random sentence, but I will find you which is the right keyword for you. Okay, just go to here. Here I'm going to go to India. So here I'm going to copy this one. Copy. So around how many keywords is this? 630 key, 660 keywords is there. Best places to travel. See, you know what is volume, right? And see here which is the highest volume here. Best places to travel, places to visit near me, places to go to near me. See, near me is not for you. Okay, near me is locally you have a business, you can use that keyword. Holiday destination, best holiday, we can use cheap holiday destination. See, in this way, travel places. Let's check. So, travel places is there, travel sites. Let me add India. So, you're in India or Bangalore? Bangalore. So this blog is related to only Bangalore, right? Okay, done. I'll go for India only. Let's see. Okay, we can create separate pages for Hyderabad and Bangalore. Okay, travel places in India. Okay, you can use this keyword. Okay, so this is my primary keyword. Best time to visit India. See, this kind of content will be the outside of India. That means other foreigners they will come to visit India. You can separately you can create one blog for this. Okay, not Arabic here. Trips to India, best places to visit in India. See, right, short tail keyword, long tail keyword. So I take this 4 keyword only. All are higher volume only. Just copy this one and directly go to here. So this is my primary keyword. So try to add this keyword in home page, because home page will be the landing page of your website. Okay, maybe design will be there. You can add design also. And one more thing, here the website is there. After that, you can add. Suppose here fully design is there, but how to add a content? We can't add a content here because the design is there. So if you want to add a content related to this subject, we can add one FAQ section. FAQ section in the sense, just like open website here. So here, this is the FAQ section. See, this is the FAQ section. So most of the content here I added. So if you, whether it is 1,000 words or 1,500, 2,000, very long content also, we can make questions like this. We can make question like this and we can try to add your content. Remaining part is design only. For your website, we can create here FAQ section. So write down this also. Footer we need to create and FAQ we need to create your website. This is your assignment. Daily go to home and do it, your assignment. So whatever classes is there, we can do it. Anyway, social media we started now. We can do it. Okay, got my point, right?